All right, let's look at the homework 1, problem number 9. All right, so we have a set that has, elements 1 through 12. So I'm going to just try to draw a picture to represent that. So here is my set A. Then I will just put the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so this is a set A. So just do that. All right, then we want to give an example of a partition S. So we're going to have to divide it into subgroups and satisfying the following requirements. All right, so number 1, part 1, it says that the cardinality of the partition is equal to 5. So which just means that we have to divide it into 5 subgroups, right? So we know what that means, right? And it says that there is a subset T of partition S such that the cardinality is 4. So which means that cardinality is 4 and the union of all the elements in T put together has a cardinality is equal to 10, right? So subgroup basically has 10 elements in it, right? And a T, right? And number 3, there is no element B in S, okay? So each subgroup cannot have 3 elements. So there is no subgroups of 3 elements, right? So let's do, I'm going to do one example here. All right. So partition, so we just have to divide it into subgroups. So let's see, but you can't have a 3-element group. So I guess you can have a 2-element group. So 1 and 2 together. And maybe I'm going to put 3, 4, 5, 6 together. And then you can have, let's see, you can have 7 and 8 together, and so we need to 1, 2, 3 subgroups. So I have to divide that into 2. So we can't have 3. So I guess we can have 9 and 10 together. So we have that. All right. So our partition S in this case is going to be, so partition is a set of subsets. So here 1 and 2 together, and 3, 4, 5, 6 together, and 7 and 8 together, and 9 and 10 together, and 11 and 12 together. All right. So this is the partition that would satisfy these conditions. So let's check. All right. So the cardinality of this partition S is equal to 5. That means that you need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements in there. So this guy is satisfied. All right. There is a subset T of S such that the number of elements in T is 4, but if you take the union of all these guys, it's 10, right? So we can come up with T. We can have T. So this is a subset, so we have to pick a sum of these guys, actually 4 of those guys. So I'll probably pick, how about this? I'm going to pick 1, 2, so that's 2. And I'll pick 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 total. So we need to get 10. And so that's 8. And that will be 10. All right. So I'll just exclude 11, 12. All right. So you can see that here T has 1, 2, 3, 4. So cardinality of T is 4. So this is satisfied. All right. Then if you take the union of all these guys together, so that will be union of x is in T of x is going to be, right? It's going to have 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can see that the cardinality of this is obviously 10, so it satisfies that. And then there is no element B such that it has 3 elements. You can see that there's 2 and 4, 2, 2, 2. So it satisfies that condition as well. Right? So this would be the part one of the example that satisfies all 3 conditions. Right? That's it. I hope that this was helpful.